Jacob, are you making dinner?
Say, we're making pizza.
What you doing? Are you oh, look at you go. Hi. A little pizza boy.
Oh, watch your fingers.
Is it fun? Oh, yeah. Give me that. Are you helping Daddy make dinner? Your little apron? What? Oh, you want to turn the light on under there? Look at me. Look at Mommy. Oh, say pan. Off. Uh-oh. Okay, get ready to help Daddy. Are you going to put toppings on the pizza?
Where'd the cheese grater go?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, that's it. Okay, we're done with the roller. Look. Here, you do it. You do it. Oh, good job. You're good at that.
Oh, no.
Okay, your turn.
You do it.
Your turn.
Good job. You're such a good helper. Uh-oh. Well, you can't put it... Wait for the pizza sauce. Then you put it on the pizza. Hey.
Look.
Oh, you want to... Look what Daddy's doing.
Look, we gotta grate more cheese. Here you go. Your turn.
Your turn.
Oh, watch your fingers. Good job.
Look at me. Look at Mommy.